In 2023, Amazon's sales exceeded $1 trillion, while eBay's market size was around $73 billion. Stores on Shopify achieved sales of approximately $236 billion. All of this happened in the same year, 2023. So why not take a piece of this giant cake for yourself? A small part can change your life forever. You may now wonder what you need to start selling on these platforms. Let me tell you a secret. On platforms like Amazon and eBay, you only need a good product, which we call a winning product. This is the first and most important step. So let me help you with this and give you the best website to help you find a winning product: ZIK Analytics. First, let me tell you why you should choose ZIK Analytics specifically. Simply put, if you are thinking about selling on eBay, Amazon, or Shopify and want a smart tool to help you choose trending products, analyze the market, and monitor competitors, then ZIK Analytics is the perfect choice for you. It provides everything a smart seller needs, including advanced tools like product research, competitor store analysis, performance tracking, and discovering the most in-demand keywords, all through an easy-to-use interface that supports your success in e-commerce, especially in dropshipping. When you create an account and log in, you will find the website interface like this. And here you will see many features. Let's start with the fact that the site allows you to change the Marketplace Plus, and you can choose between eBay, Shopify, or AliExpress, and soon Amazon will be available. For now, let's stay on eBay, and let me explain some things to you. Here you will find trending eBay niches, where you will find the niche and its keyword along with monthly revenue it generates, and you can click to analyze it. There are also trending dropshippers, where you will find the highest earning and rated sellers. You can also click on any of them to scan and see the profits they generate and what products they sell, among other things. We also find trending eBay products, where you will find the best-selling products on the eBay platform in the last 7 days, along with the product price and profit. If you click on any of these products, you will find additional information about it, including its price on other shopping platforms. This will give you a comprehensive idea about the product to decide whether it is good to sell or not. There is also another thing that I really like, which is upcoming events. Here you will see the upcoming holidays and occasions, so you will have the time to work on them and provide products for them, and this will give you an advantage over your competitors who work day by day or without a plan. Not only that, but there are many other tools you will find here, and each platform you choose has its own settings and tools. This makes you explore all the ways you can imagine, which increases the amount of information you will gather, and thus helps you make the best decisions. The site shocked me with the amount of features and tools that you usually won't find in one place. Among them is this feature that allows you to perform a complete analysis of your eBay store by adding eBay Seller ID, thus giving you all the tools you will need to achieve very significant profits on eBay. Now let's talk about product research. Here, the site allows you to search through various filters such as country, price, duration, rating, and more, which gives you more options and greater accuracy. To take an example of how to search for products, I found this bag on eBay and I want to see its analysis, so I will copy its title, leave everything as is, and search. Here, as you can see, the site has provided me with a comprehensive analysis of the product, and it also showed me similar products. Now, if I click on it, I can see its price on Amazon and find out the profit I can achieve. Not only that, but I can identify the competitor who sells this product, and I can analyze their store and see the products they sell and how much profit they make from them. There is also a great feature called competitor research. To give you an example, let's go back to the previous product and look at the seller of this bag. When you enter their page, you can copy their name or identifier, then return to the site and paste it in the search box. The site will then provide you with a comprehensive analysis of the seller, including their profits, the products they sell, and other details, allowing you to see the market clearly and track competitors. Here is a new feature on the site, and it is really useful if you are looking for a winning product and don't know where to start, or if there is a product in your mind and you want to know if it is good or not. The Product Explorer feature will give you everything you need to know. All you have to do is enter the keyword, and you can also adjust the settings according to what you want. You can also choose the category you want. For example, I will enter the word bag and search, and as you can see, the site has provided me with many products to choose from. There are many other amazing things on the site, including this platform here where you will find detailed instructions on how to use the software, as well as various and wonderful explanations related to the field that tell you how to increase your profits or how to start generating income. The site is truly comprehensive in every aspect. You will find what you are looking for all in one place. There are also several other features on the site that you can discover for yourself. The site's interface is easy to use, allowing you to search for what you want with ease. I will leave you the link to the site in the description. You can try it for 1 week for only $1, and I am sure you will be satisfied with the result. That was all for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new updates.